In this video, I'll show you how to add photos in Facebook. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the notification to the channel for lots of educational kinds and contents like this. Now, whatever I want to share in this video is basically an educational video, right? So what you're going to do now, for you to be able to do this, you're going to click on this photo and video, right? So for you to be able to add photos, you're going to click on it, right? Once I've clicked on it, wait for it to open. So I can come on here in our picture. I can come on here and select, let's say this picture, right? So once I've selected it, it's gonna automatically come out here. So but because it's basically an educational video, I'm not gonna like post it, right? So once you are done with everything, you can still come on here, you can add to your post, you can add a tag your friends, your family, anyone. You can add, let's say, activity, how you're feeling, if you're feeling good, or anything you want to add, right? Once you're done, you're gonna click on this post. So once you have done, you have already added your post on Facebook. So this is how you can add posts on Facebook. If you find this video helpful, please share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through. I'll see you guys in the next one.